Hello everyone, and welcome back to Family Gaming Tube. Today I'm going to show you how you connect your cell phone or your smartphone to your Alexa, which is pretty cool. So you'll be able to listen to music, apps, whatever audio you have on your cell phone, you'll be able to hear it on your Alexa. How cool is that? So stay tuned. Welcome back. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, in order to connect your smartphone device, whether it's an Android phone or whether it's an iPhone or a tablet, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your Alexa is obviously it's turned on, okay, and it's ready to go. Okay, I mean that's a no-brainer right there. Okay. Secondly, what you want to do is make sure that it is synced. But if it isn't, this is what you're going to do. She will let you know that it's not connected. Okay, so what you're going to do is say, Alexa, connect.
Searching.
So she's going to search. She's going to give you an idea that, okay, she can't find no device. And basically, you know, from that point, what you're going to have to do. But I'll show you what you need to do. In the event you don't know, or you're kind of new to this stuff, or you've never really connected Bluetooth to anything. So just stand by for 1 second. She should be yapping right about now. Okay, she's not. She will. So give it 1 second. Come on, sweetie cakes, hurry up. We got all night here. But you're already late. Alright, so she's not yapping, but she will. Anyway, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to scroll down or scroll up, whichever type of phone works best. You're going to click on settings. That's the little gear symbol on the top. You are then going to go down or wherever you have to go to get to Bluetooth. You're going to click on it. See, mine says disabled, so it's off. And what you want to do is you're going to make sure it's on. Okay, if it is not on, you're going to click on it. Okay, and then you're going to refresh the screen. See, it's saying searching. If it didn't say that, it would say refresh. So you're going to refresh and it's going to start searching. So you get connected, but let's turn that off. So it was searching and it came across my phone. Okay, and it connected automatically. Okay, normally you would have to pair it up. So you're going to look on the screen after you turn on. You're going to look, and then you'll see the Alexa, and then you're going to click on it, and then it'll pair, and then it'll give you the option. Okay.
Sorry, I'm not sure
Alexa, stop. Okay, so then what you want to do after you pair it up, right? It'll automatically connect every time you have it on. By all you have to do is just make sure the Bluetooth symbol, which is on the top, is highlighted or turned on. And basically all you have to do is say, Alexa, connect.
Searching. You're already connected to Z982. To connect a different device,
so I'm going to disconnect.
go to the Alexa app.
And that's basically all you have to do to connect your smartphone. Again, whether it's an iPhone or an Android or a tablet, to the Alexa. That's all you got to do. And then when you do that, you're going to be able to listen to anything you can listen to on your phone. You can listen to on the Alexa, which is pretty darn cool. I mean, it really is. Sometimes you want that nice surround sound. Well, boom, you got that. Especially if you can hook up speakers to the Alexa, which you can, by the way. And then you have a nice surround sound. So this little phone will give you a lot of options, especially like for YouTube or whatever. You'll be able to listen to a lot of great stuff and have a good time with your phone. So I hope this video helped out a lot. I hope it was informative and it answered any of your questions. I'm sorry if I didn't have any visuals. I just didn't think it was necessary. That was the information I was giving to you. I thought that was enough or ample, and that it would help you get to where you want to go. Okay, so again, thank you for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you could have some more great videos like this come up to your front door and you'll be the first ones notified. All right, thanks again. Take care now. Have a good night. Bye-bye.